My brother first started this business back in 1995. He grew an interest in machining parts, and he thought that might be something he could do the rest of his life. And it turned into a family business, and that's how Kohlert Manufacturing started out. Since starting our business, I remember the most probably in the early 2000s when we were building a lot of automated machines for people with automation and stuff. Since then, we've decided we want to be more of a job shop and just actually make parts for people. So we went to IMTS a few years back, and we got introduced to the SMEC lathes, the 1500 and the SL30 over here, and we realized that those are the machines they save a lot of labor. They do a lot with live tooling and everything. You get a lot of beneficial speed out of the parts because you don't have to keep changing or rechecking parts. What we like most about the SMEC is the live tooling and the way the chuck brake works, so that you could come in and take decent sized cuts on parts without losing any accuracy. Well, here at Kohlert Manufacturing, we try to stride ourselves in making high quality parts at a really fast rate. Usually when somebody calls in or sends a quote over, we'll quote it the same day and start on it the same day if we get approval. The most important thing is to have a good place to work, high quality labor force, and high quality machines like the SMECs. Well, it's the whole family that supports the business itself. So when we all come together, you realize that you have a real workforce when everybody comes together and pitches in and does a great job at everything. I am Iron Man.